Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Last of Us game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Last of Us game on your device and you will directly be taken into the main menu. From here, click on the options page and within the options section, go ahead and choose the language option. Within the language page, you can redefine the language for the text as well as subtitles as well. And at the third section, you will see the speech option. This means that you can change the spoken dialogues as well as the speech within the game into various different languages, including English, French, Italian, and various others. After choosing your desired language by using the arrow and the left or right, you can simply go back and your settings will be saved. If at any point you wish to change your audio language once again, you can come back to the same page and make your desired changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio language within the Last of Us game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.